Today, I will show you how to create a simple, eye-catching short using CapCut. Step 1. Locate your video. First, open CapCut and tap on New Project. From here, locate the video you want to use for your short and select it. Step 2. Change the aspect ratio. Now that your video is in the editor, let's change the aspect ratio. Find the aspect ratio option in the menu and select 9:16. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts. Step 3. Enlarge and center your video. Use your fingers to pinch and drag until your video is enlarged. Once you've done that, make sure your character is centered on the screen. After centering, take a second to adjust the height, especially if you're doing a transformation look like I am in this video. I'm going from plain to voila, so the character needs to stay the same height and in the same spot throughout each clip. That way, the final result looks clean and consistent. Step 4. Split your videos. Both of my videos are roughly 30 seconds to 1 minute long. When I record, I do a few different poses and hold each pose for about 10 seconds. When it's time to edit, I go through the footage and choose the pose I like best. Then I use the split tool to cut that section out and delete the rest. Since I want this short to be around 10 to 15 seconds, each clip will be trimmed down to about 4 to 6 seconds. This keeps the video clean, quick, and to the point. Perfect for showing off the look. Step 5. Add transitions between clips. Since you're working with multiple clips, you'll have several spots where transitions can go. Just tap on the little white box between any two clips. That's where you add a transition. Choose a transition that fits the vibe of your video. It doesn't need to be too fancy, just a smooth flow from one clip to the next. Repeat this process for each space between your clips to keep your video looking seamless. Step 6. Add simple animations. Now for a little flair, tap on your clip, then scroll to animation. You'll see options like in, out, or combo. You can add an animation at the beginning or end of your video. It's totally up to you. And that's it. You've just made a short using CapCut. Simple edits, clean transitions, and a nice centered look. Stay tuned for the next tutorial, where we'll discuss how to time your transitions with your music. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. You can also tag me in your edits. I'd love to see them.